Hey, 17 here today, and I'm going to teach you how to use a microwave and cook popcorn because this video is a complimentary for my friend Mysterio for not knowing how to use technology. So, I'm going to teach you the steps. One is open the microwave. Step 2, enter food. Step 3, close microwave. 5, press your buttons or whatever, but I'm just going to use popcorn. Step 6, or 5, some step. Wait. Step potato, open microwave. Step dishwasher, take out pop freaking hot. Step dishwasher, carefully, very carefully, take out popcorn and close it, and drop it in your thing. And now you have a bag of popcorn that you must open yourself.